Hello students, today we are going to discuss the problems on cost of capital. This problem is asked in December 2019, Jan 20 and July 2018 for 10 marks. For problem you can refer the slide. So the problem is DOEC Limited is an unlisted company engaged in the manufacture of industrial chemicals. DOEC has a debt equity ratio of 0.8 and a tax rate of 30%. There are three listed firms, Apex Chemicals, Modern Chemicals and Syntex Industries, engaged wholly in chemicals manufacturing. Their equity betas, debt equity ratios and tax rates are as follows. So, Apex Chemicals equity beta is 1.2 and debt equity ratio is 1.2, and Modern Chemicals equity beta is 1.1 and debt equity is 1.1. So, Syntex Industries is 1.05 and debt equity ratio is 1.2 and all the firms tax rate is 30%. So, what is the equity beta for DOEC Limited? So, in order to find out the equity beta for DOEC Limited, first we need to check whether the firms were in the same line of business. So, there are 5 steps in this problem. Step 1 is to find a sample of listed firms engaged in similar business. Step 1, find a sample of listed firms engaged in similar business. Okay. Second step says, so obtain equity betas for the sample of firms. So obtain equity betas for the sample of firms engaged in similar business. So given as Apex beta E is equal to 1.2, which is given in the problem. Modern Chemicals beta E is 1.1 and Syntex beta E is 1.05. Step 3 is derive the asset betas after adjusting equity betas. So, step 3 says derive asset betas after adjusting equity betas. After adjusting equity betas according to the problem, Apex DE, that is debt equity, is 1.2, modern debt equity is 1.1, Syntex debt equity is 1.2. See, these are the values which they have given in the problem. Okay, next step is, so tax rate for all the firms, tax rate for all the firms all is 30%, that is 0.3 we should take. Okay, so asset beta we call it as bracket beta A are derived by using the formula beta A is equal to beta E divided by 1 plus D by E into 1 minus tax rate. This is the formula to derive asset beta of each firm. So first one, Apex Chemicals, beta A, put those values in this equation. Beta E of Apex is 1.2 divided by 1 plus debt equity is 1.2 multiplied by 1 minus 0.3 is the tax rate. So 1.2 divided by 1 plus 1.2 into 0.7. So 1.2 divided by 1 plus 0.84 is equal to 1.2 divided by 1.84. The answer is, that is beta A, asset beta of Apex is 0.65. Like this, we need to find out the asset beta for other two firms. So Modern Chemicals, beta A is 1.1 divided by 1 plus 1.1 multiplied by 1 minus 0.3. 1.1 divided by 1 plus 1.1 into 0.7. 1.1 divided by 1 plus 0.77. 1.1 divided by 1.77. Answer is beta A of Modern Chemicals is 0.62. Okay, the third one is Syntex Industries, beta A of Syntex Industries. Syntex Industries, beta A is 1.05 divided by 1 plus 1.2 into 1 minus 0.3. 1.05 divided by 1 plus 1.2 into 0.7. 1.05 divided by 1 plus 0.84. 1.05 divided by 1.84 gives you the asset beta of modern Syntex Industries is 0.57. See, after finding these three firms asset beta, we need to average it. So step 4, find the average of the asset betas. So adding these values, 0.65 plus 0.62 plus 0.57 divided by 3 gives you the value 0.61. After finding the average of all these asset betas, the last step is step 5. Find out the equity betas for DOEC chemicals. So to find out the equity beta for DOEC chemicals, formula is beta E is equal to beta A multiplied by 1 plus D by E of DOEC Industries multiplied by 1 minus tax rate. Beta A is 0.61 multiplied by 1 plus debt equity of DOEC is 0.8 multiplied by 1 minus 0.3, that is 30% tax rate. So 0.61, solving this equation, 1 plus 0.8 into 0.7, 0.61 multiplied by 1 plus 0.56, 0.61 multiplied by 1.56. So multiply 0.61 with 1.56, our answer is 0.95. That's all. Thank you.